This old guy DIY has to do with replacing the evaporator solenoid on a 2001 Chevy Suburban 1500. So recently, when I go to fill up the car with gas, you can really smell gas, and the pump tends to shut off early. And I had a similar problem on a 2004 Denali a couple of years ago. I replaced the solenoid and that fixed it. So I found the solenoid for 15 bucks on Amazon, took the one-day delivery. I'm about to crawl under the truck. Now in this case, the solenoid is directly behind the fuel tank on the passenger side, and it's easy to reach up there. There's just one clip that engages it on this side. So use a small screwdriver, grab that clip, slide the thing back after you've unplugged the little plug, then you put this one in its place, and it takes about 6 minutes. So I'm just going to crawl in under the vehicle right here beneath the passenger side rear door. So when you get in here and look up, this is what you see. I just need to disconnect that connector, and then on the other side you can see where that little clip connects. So I'll pop those two things off right now. So as I was trying to get the line off, I ended up breaking the body of the solenoid unit. It's not that it matters, but when you look at the connector up there, it's supposed to be something you can just squeeze with your hand and make happen. But I was unable to do that, so I have a channel locks right now, and I'll get that fitting off. So the toughest part of this operation was manipulating that clip. So I thought I had to squeeze those outside edges together with a channel lock, when in fact it's the outside edge that captures the lip that comes off of the solenoid assembly. So what you want to do is just take a little screwdriver, stick it in the end there, and pry that up, and then the old piece comes out. So anyway, what should have taken me about 7 minutes took me about 20 because I was screwing around with that clip, but it should be all good to go now. I hope this old guy DIY video saved you a couple of minutes of time. Have a good day.